Everybody knows that Clickbank.com is the world's largest digital info product store, listing more than 10,000 products for sale. Clickbank.com pays large amounts of money to its affiliates every month because each Clickbank product offers up to 75% commission. And if you manage to sell 30 to 40 products a day, you can earn $1,500 a day. Unfortunately, Clickbank.com provides only a limited number of tools and platforms to their affiliates. And obviously, you need a platform that will help you promote products of your interest much faster. This is why cbproads.com has made making tons of cash with Clickbank.com really easy and offers you two ways of doing it. First is simply by displaying or rotating different variety ads for Clickbank products on your website or blog. While traditional pay-per-click sites offer only few pennies for each click from your site, displaying ads for Clickbank products can earn you much more from a single click itself. Second, if you don't have a blog or website, you can be a proud owner of an online storefront containing more than 10,000 products. We provide your own unique URL for you to promote it. You are in business from next moment onwards, and for each sale generated from your storefront, your Clickbank.com account gets credited automatically. In case you wish to promote only a certain kind of products that belong to a particular niche, you will have the option of 60 pre-made niche storefronts to choose from. Even if you wish to host this online storefront or niche website on your server with your domain name, CB Pro Ads will provide you with most innovative and powerful WordPress plugin tool, as well as standalone PHP script. You can install these onto your site with just a few clicks. While you're watching this, thousands of other people are making money hassle-free through cbproads.com. So why wait any longer? Join now!